proper winter car preservation prevents rust, battery failure, tire damage, and engine issues, ensuring safety, reliability, and long-term vehicle performance. My today's video is about top 5 best car preservation for winter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gunhigh 16 Layers Car Cover. The Gunhigh Premium Full Exterior Car Cover delivers reliable, all-season protection with a clear focus on durability and paint safety. Made from high-quality vinyl, it offers excellent waterproofing while remaining wear and tear resistant for long-term outdoor use. The UV-resistant, sun-proof exterior helps keep your vehicle cooler in hot weather, while the upgraded soft cotton lining gently protects the paint from scratches. Designed for true all-weather defense, this heavy-duty cover shields against sun, snow, dust, pollen, bird droppings, acid rain, and industrial pollution. Breathable vents reduce moisture buildup, preventing mold and corrosion. Practical features like mirror pockets, 3 windproof straps, and a driver's side zipper ensure a secure fit and convenient access even in windy conditions. Ideal for sedans between 186 to 193 inches, the package also includes a microfiber towel and storage bag, making this a thoughtful, complete car protection solution. Now our second product is Holfly 10 Layers Sedan Car Cover. The Holfly Full Car Cover stands out for its precise sizing, durable construction, and true all-season protection. With an accurate size chart backed by 20 years of manufacturing experience, finding the right fit for sedans, SUVs, or hatchbacks is simple and ensures maximum coverage and longer cover life. If your model isn't listed, responsive support helps confirm the correct size. Built with an upgraded 10-layer composite structure, the cover combines a thickened PE outer layer that's 100% waterproof, breathable, and highly UV-resistant with a soft, thick cotton interior that improves tear resistance while protecting paint from scratches. Practical details like reinforced windproof belts, double-stitched edges, reflective safety strips, and a large storage bag enhance everyday usability. Designed for year-round defense, it effectively shields your vehicle from sun, rain, snow, dust, pollutants, and more, making it a dependable, long-lasting car protection solution. Our third product is Berkside Waterproof Car Cover. This custom-fit car cover for the 1998 to 2024 Volkswagen New Beetle delivers dependable protection with a precise, model-specific design. Using original data moldings, it wraps the vehicle accurately, ensuring full coverage and reducing exposure to harsh environmental elements. The upgraded high-density aluminum cotton material strikes an excellent balance between lightweight handling and long-lasting durability, boasting impressive tensile strength while remaining easy to use. Its 6-layer polyester construction provides strong resistance against rain, snow, UV rays, dust, bird droppings, and extreme sun, helping preserve your Beetle's paint in every season. The heat-insulating, waterproof, and flame-retardant fabric adds an extra layer of confidence for outdoor parking. Safety and stability are enhanced with windproof belts at the front, rear, and bottom, keeping the cover secure in strong winds. Reflective fluorescent strips improve nighttime visibility, while the included storage bag makes transport simple. Overall, it's a well-built, all-weather solution for new Beetle owners. Now number 4, H-Contel Car Windshield Cover. This upgraded car windshield cover offers reliable, year-round protection with a focus on durability and coverage. Made from high-quality waterproof Oxford fabric, it effectively shields your vehicle from snow, rain, sun, leaves, stains, scratches, industrial pollutants, and bird droppings, making it suitable for both outdoor and indoor use in all seasons. Its large 112 by 57 inch size provides wider coverage than standard windshield covers, protecting not only the windshield but also the wipers, side mirrors, front window, and door handles. Designed to fit most cars and SUVs, it stays firmly in place thanks to 6 adjustable industrial strength straps, elastic hooks, and built-in magnets that prevent flapping in strong winds. The reflective warning strips on the mirror covers improve nighttime visibility and safety while preventing mirror freezing. Easy to install and remove, it also includes a storage bag for convenient carrying and compact storage. And our last choice is Yansio car cover. This car cover stands out for its updated size options and dependable all-season performance. With revised sizing for listed vehicles, it's easier to achieve a proper fit, and even if your exact model isn't shown, choosing a comparable size based on overall dimensions ensures full, reliable coverage. The thicker construction delivers excellent heat insulation, helping keep your car cooler in direct sunlight while protecting the paint from heat-related damage. Built for year-round use, the waterproof, windproof, and snowproof design effectively guards against rain, snow, dust, bird droppings, and everyday debris. An enhanced UV-resistant layer adds long-term value by preventing paint fading, cracking, and interior deterioration caused by prolonged sun exposure. Practical details like the elastic hem, secure buckle straps, and reinforced seams provide a snug, wind-resistant fit, keeping the cover firmly in place even during harsh weather conditions. Overall, it's a well-balanced solution for comprehensive vehicle protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.